Hello everybody, I am Wang Qing from Shanghai Fushan Foreign Language Primary School. Today I will share a story with you. The Lion in a Mouse. In a beautiful African savanna, there lived a very proud lion. He often frightened little animals because of his large and strong body. The lion thought that big animals and small animals couldn't be friends. As time went by, the lion had fewer and fewer friends. No one wanted to talk with him. One fine day, the lion was trying to enjoy himself in the warm sunshine. "Life should be colorful," thought the lion. At that time, a mouse walked by singing a pop song. "Baby, baby, baby, ooh." "Hello, little mouse," called the lion. "How about you meet one afternoon of fun?" Although the little mouse was genuinely afraid of mighty lions, he could not resist the lion's kind invitation. "Oh, okay. I happen to have a mini laptop in here. We can play some new interesting games together," insisted the little mouse. The mouse quickly opened his magical laptop and told the lion how to play Smurfs, Fruit Ninja, and Angry Birds. Soon, the lion was drawn to these fun games. But when he wanted to play Angry Birds himself, he realized his paws were too large to play the small laptop games. The smart mouse helped him to play. This made him realize that he shouldn't judge his friends only by their size. In the end, the little clever mouse became the lion's best friend. Thank you for listening.